You're a front row seat. Everything you are is everything I ain't without you. Who knows where I'd be? I cuss every day, pray every night. You live to love and I love to fight. You're an angel and my demons, they run deep. I swear you were sent from heaven, love the hell out of me. So this next song is called Any Girl. I wrote it with a buddy of mine, and it goes out to all the ladies. But fellas, I'm sure some of y'all can relate. For whatever reason, whatever's in my blood, I can't stay around for too long for whatever reason. But when you meet the right girl, it can change everything. So. Any girl can laugh and smile at me. Run around in worn out cut-off jeans. And any girl can climb up in my truck, find a song she loves and turn. And any girl can sit on her front porch, twirl her fingers in her hair when she's bored. And any girl could say I love you, and I could always say I love her too. But I never stay around too long for any girl, and I'm never gonna change my ways for any girl. Yeah, I swear I'll never fall too far for any girl, but you're not any girl. Any girl can wear a sexy dress, show everyone a little skin, and later on show me the rest. And any girl could put her hand in mine, but there's a real good chance I'd leave her crying, 'cause I never stay around too long for any girl, and I'm never gonna change my ways for any girl. Yeah, I swear I'll never fall too far for any girl, but you're not any girl. I said I'd never hit one knee for any girl, but you